Hi! In this video, I will show you how to add Notcoin to Tonkeeper wallet. So on your Tonkeeper wallet, you should be able to see your home page right around here. So from in there, you can see this wallet. So if you only have one wallet, you can head over and add a new wallet that will actually contain the Notcoin. So in here, just click on the plus icon whenever you save it and then click on this new wallet right here. So if you already have an existing Notcoin, you can head over and just bind an existing wallet or pair it. But if you don't have one yet, you can click on this new wallet right there. From in there, you should be able to select the Notcoin and then you should be able to buy some as well. So just head over and click on the Notcoin, notice you add it to your wallet and then buy some stocks about that. So head over and then do that. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here the reflection of your Tonkeeper on your Notcoin wallet. So that's how you add Notcoin to Tonkeeper wallet. Hope this video helped you out.